Okay, let's go ahead and let's pour about 15 drops of what we need to do into these cups. Let's go ahead and let's start with ammonia. Now this really smells bad, so if you do this and you're a kid, maybe you want to test something else. But let's go ahead and let's pour this, because you don't want to get too much of it in there. So you got your ammonia. Let's go ahead and put that away now. Make sure you put the lid on carefully. You don't want to spray this in your eyes. You don't want to do anything. As a matter of fact, the best thing to do when you're dealing with chemicals like this sometimes is you put on a pair of safety goggles. And I'm telling you, you don't want to lose sight of your eyes. Using milk of magnesia, shake it up a bit. Pour it in. Okay, got your milk of magnesia. Next, what you want is your baking soda. Let's go ahead. Let's put a little bit of baking soda in here. Okay. Let's go ahead and move your things to the side. Let's put your baking soda away. Let's get some club soda. Pour a little bit in there. Okay, remember, a good scientist always puts things away, always clears away, always makes sure that everything's labeled, everything's done nicely, and again, tighten that lid on things. Let's go ahead and let's get some cooking oil in here. Let's just put a little bit in here, about 15 drops. Okay, let's go ahead and put the cooking oil here. Next we have, let's go ahead and get some sugar. Let's put it in here. Put this over here. Next we have some tomato juice. Okay, might have poured a little bit too much in there. Let's go ahead and put this over here. Let's put our lid on here. Okay, let's go ahead and get some grapefruit juice. Okay, put that back here. Put the lid back on it. Let's go ahead and get some vinegar. And this stuff smells, so you don't want to put it on your hands. Kind of smells like a doctor's office. Okay. Then let's go ahead and get some lemon juice. Okay, so you have all the things that you're going to test here. And it's really important, again, that you line everything up. And you just make sure you don't rush this, because you could spill things and you can have all sorts of smells going on.